Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ULEFONE Note 18 Ultra, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Then let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the top. Here we have to tap on add a language, and we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to find the language you'd like to apply and tap on it. So let me pick Turkish. Simply tap on the region, and as you can see, our new language has been immediately applied to this list, but the English in my case is still a main one. So all we have to do is to reorder the languages. So let's tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me show it to you again. Tap on it, hold it, and then drag it to the first position. You can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on the three dots icon and tap on remove. Tap on the language you'd like to delete and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.